Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Power off the iPad and place it on an ESD-safe surface. Use a suction cup near the home button to lift the glass slightly. Meanwhile, pry gently with a plastic pick to release the adhesive. Once the seam opens, slide picks around to separate the glass from the frame while avoiding the digitizer cable at the top. Make sure to keep screws grouped by location. Small mistakes here complicate reassembly later. Once the front panel is lifted, remove the visible screws holding the metal shield. There are 5 to 7 depending on model, keeping track of each length and location. You must disconnect the battery cable first to avoid shorting components, then carefully unplug the digitizer and LCD connectors using a plastic spudger. Do not yank cables. After connectors are free, lift the old screen assembly away. Make sure to remove adhesive rem. You position the replacement screen and reconnect the digitizer and LCD cables before finalizing the seal. Once connected, lightly reconnect the battery and power on to test touch and display. This prevents reseating later. If all is good, remove protective film, apply new adhesive strips evenly, and press the glass from center outward to secure. If touch or display fails, power down, reseat connectors, inspect flex cables for tears, and ensure no metal debris bridges contacts, then retest and finish sealing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.